Now let us discuss about algebraic laws of regular expression or identity rules of regular expression. Totally we have 12 laws are there. Now let us see all the laws one by one. And the first one is, here we are using two operators, plus and dot. Plus is called as union operator, whereas dot is called as concatenation operator. Okay. For understanding purpose, here I am taking plus as some addition, dot as some multiplication. But generally plus means union, whereas dot means concatenation. Okay. So pi, what is pi? Pi means empty set. Empty set means the set doesn't contains any elements. So if we add pi plus r, then we will get r as the output. Here what is r? R means a regular expression. So if we add regular expression to pi, then what is the output? Regular expression is the output. Why? Because pi means empty set. It doesn't contains any elements. So the output is r only. And the second one is pi into r. Into means what? Concatenation operator. But for understanding purpose, let us assume that plus is addition, dot is multiplication. Okay. So pi dot r. Pi dot r. What is pi? Pi means empty set. It doesn't contains any elements. So anything into 0 is equal to 0 only. Okay. So likewise pi into r is equal to pi. Why? Because into means, here let us assume that it is multiplication. Okay. If you multiply 0 with any number, then we will get 0 as the output. Okay. So here pi as the output. So pi into r is equal to r into pi is equal to pi. Next, third rule. Third rule is dot operator. Okay. Epsilon into r. Epsilon into r. What is epsilon? Epsilon means it is a null string. It contains a string, but length of the string is null. Length of the string is 0. Okay. So pi epsilon into r is equal to r into epsilon is equal to r. Why? Because it has some null string. So we will get that regular expression as the output. So this is the difference here. Pi into r is equal to pi, whereas epsilon into r is equal to r, regular expression. Why? Because here epsilon means it contains a null string. So we will get regular expression as the output. Now let us see the next one. Epsilon star. Star means closure. Epsilon star is equal to epsilon, whereas pi star is equal to epsilon. Pi star is equal to epsilon. Zero occurrences of anything is nothing but epsilon only. So that's why here we are getting epsilon as the output. Okay. Next one, r plus r is equal to r. So if we perform union operation on two regular expressions, then we will get that regular expression only. R plus r is equal to r. Next one, r star. That means this is nothing but clean closure. So clean closure into clean closure of your regular expression is nothing but clean closure of the regular expression only. So r star into r star is equal to r star only. So likewise r plus r is equal to r. Okay. Next one, r into r star is equal to r star into r is equal to r plus. We know the difference between clean closure and positive closure. So this is positive closure, whereas this star is called as clean closure. Clean closure contains epsilon also, whereas positive closure doesn't contains epsilon. So if we perform concatenation on r and r star, then we will get epsilon. Then we will get what is r plus? R plus means it doesn't contains any epsilon. Okay. So if you perform concatenation operation on r and r star, then we don't get any epsilon. So that's why the result is r plus. Okay. R into r star. This is very, very important rule. R into r star is equal to r star into r is equal to r plus. Why? Because in most of the simplification of the regular expressions, we uses this formula. We will discuss how to simplify regular expressions by using these laws in the next video. So r into r star is equal to r star into r is equal to r plus. So star means clean closure, plus means positive closure. Let's see the next one. R star whole star is equal to r star means clean closure. Again, if you perform the clean closure, then we will get r star as the result. R star whole star is equal to r star. Next one, epsilon plus r star is equal to r star. Already we know about RR star is equal to R star R is equal to R plus. So what is R plus? R plus means it doesn't contain any epsilon. Now we are adding epsilon. If we add epsilon to it, then we will get R star. What is R star? R star means it contains epsilon also. So R star means what? It contains epsilon also. Whereas what is R plus? R plus doesn't contain epsilon. We know the result of RR star or R star R. What is the result of RR star? What is the result of RR star? R plus. So epsilon plus R plus is equal to, if we add epsilon to it, then we will get epsilon here. Okay. So the result is what? R plus. Okay. Let us see the next rule. PQ whole star into P. So if you perform clean closure on PQ and then you perform the concatenation operation on the result, then we will get right hand side as same result. So P into QP whole star. So if the regular expression contains a term like this, PQ whole star into P, AB whole star into A, then we can write that as A into BA whole star. So P in PQ whole star into P is equal to P into QP whole star. Let us see the next one. P plus Q whole star is equal to P star Q star whole star. P star Q star whole star, and this can also be written as P star plus Q star whole star. P star plus Q star whole star. Let us see the last one. P plus Q into R is equal to. Let us perform the multiplication. P into R, concatenation. P into R plus Q into R. This dot is called as multiplication is nothing but concatenation, whereas plus is nothing but union operation. So totally we have 12 rules are there. We uses these 12 rules while simplifying the regular expression. According to our problem requirement, we have to apply the formula. In the next video, we will solve two problems in order to simplify the regular expression.